This Friday may change your day. Because somewhere out there, a simple Yakult bottle is heading a 500 pesos. Quiet, ordinary, and easy to miss. But for one person, magiging blessing ito at the perfect moment. Mabilis lang ang ating buhay. Pero sometimes, God's surprises are tucked in the small things. Stop and look! Kasi the tiny Yakult bottle might be waiting for you. Sino kaya makahanap, no? Kaya if you want the first clue, bilisan mo, mag-subscribe ka na! Huwag ka na maghintay. Don't scroll, huwag mong pabayaan. Be one step ahead. Be the finder.